Good morning, good day, guys. Today I'm gonna show you what fits or what's in my passport holder. I'm not really using passport holder, but when I saw this multicolor collection from Murakami, it's just, I don't know, it's just, I love it, especially the pink interior because I love pink. You can see my watch has also pink dial. I love pink, especially those hot pink. So this is what inside my passport holder. Of course, put my passport on the right side, and on the left side there are 5 card slots. But this one, guys, this card slot in the bottom is you cannot put the card sideways, so you need to put it upward. And here you can, I think it's good here for the like your boarding pass. And here is where I put my passport. So what's missing here, I think, is the boarding pass. And that's it. That's the way I put my things in here. For cash, I don't think it's good to put some cash in here. It's dangerous. The other reason why I love this multicolor is the pink interior. It's just, I really love it. It's like hot pink. I love hot pink. This one also, it's really like, I mean, I really like it. I like pink. I don't know, my watch also, I have the pink dial. It's just, I don't know, I like pink. And of course, my Victorine, I also love it. So that's it, guys. My passport holder. This is my one and only passport holder. I have a Longchamp for Corby.